Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to hold a pencil properly. This will be a correct pencil grip tutorial. Let's get right into the video. Sorry about that, I actually have just a little nose itch. I'm going to get that out of the way and now we can get into the actual tutorial. So this is a pencil. They come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes and even sometimes different colors. But where you're going to look for is where the sharpened part meets the painted part. Now you see pencils come painted, and then underneath this painted section is a wood section, and then we have the actual lead, the writing portion of the pencil, okay? So there's gonna be a part when the sharpened part right there meets the painted part, as you can see right there, right where my finger is. And you wanna sort of target the area right above that spot right there. Now this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna show you the most common or most proper way to hold a pencil, and then I'm gonna show you a secondary way that you can sort of use, and it'll still allow you to write properly, but it's just a matter of personal preference. But by far the most popular way, the most proper way to hold a pencil is to take your thumb and your index finger, and you're going to grab them, you're going to use them to grip the pencil, and then these other three fingers are going to be used as support, okay? And these three fingers are going to sort of rest along the paper area or the writing area, and these are going to grip the pencil. So check this out. I'm going to take my thumb like that and my index finger like that, and I'm going to grip the pencil, okay? Now you can go a little bit higher, a little bit lower, it all depends, but it's going to be like this, and then these three fingers right here are used to support. So you can see I'm pushing them up against. They're not used to grip, but they're for support. As I put my pencil on the paper, these fingers are going to rest on the paper, and then I can write like this. So essentially my thumb and my index finger, as you can see, are gripping the pencil like that. That's what it looks like. And these three fingers are for support. When I'm writing on paper, these three fingers touch the paper basically, at least, you know, these two, and then this one might be slightly in the air, but they're on the paper, guiding my height from the paper. The pencil's being held down on an angle, and then I can write like this, very simple. So that's by far the most proper way and the most common proper way to hold the pencil. But then there's another way to hold the pencil, which is actually going to be something like this. And to be honest with you, this is the way that I hold my pencil. My penmanship is not the greatest, but if I want to, I can write very neatly. I just write really quickly. So that's why my penmanship isn't great, not because of the grip. Okay, so let's get right into it. For the secondary version that you can use, it's going to look like this. I'll show you what it looks like. It's very, very similar. Okay, so we're still gripping with our index finger and our thumb. The only difference is this middle finger also grips. So instead of resting for support, it's gripping. So you can see right here, that's what it looks like from this angle over there. So you can see that it actually essentially is three fingers gripping the pencil. It gives you a little bit more support, and then these two fingers are used as a support mechanism, but they're not exactly supporting it, right? They're not exactly supporting the pencil, they're more supporting the height. So you can see right here, it would look something like this, just like that. And you can also make them support the pencil, and that works too, but usually it's like this. The three fingers are gripping the pencil, these are creating the height, and that's it. And you can hold it a little bit higher up. You might want to hold it like that, but I do recommend that you hold it, you know, closer to the bottom, because that's going to give you more control, and it will help out your neatness in your writing and your proper penmanship. That's it. That is essentially how to hold the pencil properly, a tutorial for the correct pencil grip. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.